Well, we are back. I just want to take a time to just appreciate everybody who's been liking all my videos, commenting. Yo, I appreciate the love. I know I've been dropping crazy shorts. I haven't dropped a video like this in a while, but Super Bowl is this Sunday, and so I thought I'd put together like a quick recipe. We're gonna do like lemon pepper hot wings. So everything that you see here is super simple ingredients. We're not gonna go above and beyond. We don't do that right, all right? We like to keep it straight to the point. All right, let's do this. All right, so today we're doing lemon pepper hot wings, all right? So I got my chicken in the bowl being washed. It's pre-washed, you know, we wash our chicken. So, like I said, we got our chicken doing this little lime bath. You know, today's seasonings, we're using the chicken bouillon, paprika, lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna hit it with some Danos. I enjoy Danos, so not sponsored, but the secret to having very crispy wings, especially if you're doing it in an air fryer, which I'll be doing it in today, is the cornstarch. Mix this in, done. You got you some crispy wings. Honestly, what I'm about to put together, you don't even need a sauce because it's so good. All right, so how we're gonna start this off, we're gonna hit it with some paprika. It's more of an eyeball thing. I don't really measure. I think I've been doing this for so long, I don't need to measure. We hit some chicken bouillon. This right here is where it's gonna get all your flavor at. The chicken bouillon, look for that. Honestly, if you're cooking anything chicken, this, some paprika for the color, paprika for color, this for flavor. I mean, you pretty much be good, to be honest. And then we're gonna hit it with some Danos. It's low sodium, so you can kind of put as much as you want. Then last up, we're gonna hit it with some cornstarch. Get that little stir in, and we're gonna add in some lemon pepper. But we're gonna come back with some more lemon pepper later. We're gonna put it in our air fryer. I like to preheat it for at least 2 minutes. So it can kind of already be pre-cooked, so we ain't gotta keep it in there for too long. So if the air fryer is preheated, it makes it a lot easier. All right, so with our air fryer preheated now, we're gonna pop it in this bad boy. Got our tongs. So that's what it looks like, fully packed. All right, so wings are in the air fryer. We're gonna put them at 390. And now every air fryer is different. So my 390 could be your 400. So we don't need it to be in there for the full 20 minutes. We just wanna make sure all the chicken is cooked. So we'll see afterwards. Just turned it off. What an idiot. All right, so 390 for 20 minutes. We're gonna let this cook and we'll come back, look at the wings, and then we'll make our sauce. All right, so now that the wings are done, you can see how crispy they come out. All right, so now you can see how crispy the wings look. Look at that, it looks really good, right? Those are ready to eat, you know, by themselves. You don't have to do anything else, but we want to be a little extra. A tab of butter in there. With some Louisiana hot sauce. I'm gonna get like a good amount in there. And now this could be any hot sauce you want. So Frank's Buffalo, Cholula, whatever. But I'm doing Louisiana. Really great for some catfish. Now what's gonna be crazy is I'm gonna try this Mike's Hot Honey. I'm gonna put a little bit in there. It is infused with like some chilies. So we're gonna kind of get a little bit in there. This is lemon pepper. So we wanna make sure we get our lemon in there, some lemon juice. And then we're gonna top it off with some lemon pepper seasoning. There we go. And this is ready to go. We have our wings. I'm gonna give it a little shake. Oh yeah. Look at that wing. They look good, don't it? And of course, you know, we gotta try it. Oh my God. That's good. That's a good wing. All right, so that's it. We made our lemon pepper hot wings. You don't need to go to Wingstop. You got Wingstop at the house. Super simple ingredients. As I said, nothing too crazy. The Mike's hot honey, you don't really need that. I was just wanting to try it out. And I did add an extra kick to it. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. You know, I'm just here to show people how to cook and how easy it is. That's all it is. That's all I'm here to do. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below. If not, if you want me to keep to the shorts, I'm cool with that too. I try to make this video super simple. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.